Here's the Selfie stick, telescoping neck, tripod base, and here on this base is a Bluetooth button which connects to your phone for starting and stopping recording. Strong spring on the top for holding the phone in place. But one of the downfalls is once you have a heavy phone on here, you get a wobble anytime you touch the screen. So using the button to trigger recording is very important. A light here on the back. Hold for a couple of seconds to turn on. 3 colors with 2 brightness levels each. Overall, a good stand.